Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to count the number of characters in a Word document. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. If we need to count the number of words or characters in a Word document, of course we don't do it manually, but just pay attention to the status bar at the bottom of the screen on the left side. As you can see, the number of words in the entire document is shown here, regardless of where these words are located, on the page or inside the table. In addition, this button with the number of words is also clickable. Click on it and we see the calculated statistics for the entire document. How many pages are in the document, how many words, characters without spaces, characters with spaces, how many paragraphs, and so on. Great, some more of these parameters can be displayed on the status bar. Right-click on the status bar and the menu for customizing the status bar opens. As you can see, the options that have already been displayed are checked here, without checking those that can still be added. For example, let's add a count of characters with spaces to the status bar. Select this item and now not only words are counted on the status bar but also characters. It's great that the status bar counts words and characters in the entire document, but how do we count words or characters, for example, in a single sentence or paragraph? And it's very easy to highlight the desired sentence or paragraph with the leftmost button. It doesn't matter on the page or inside the table. In addition to the mouse, there is another way to select a part of the text. Hold down the two Ctrl+Shift keys and use the right arrow to select the desired number of sentences or words. Okay, we continue after we have highlighted a part of the text. The status bar immediately shows how many words and characters we have highlighted this time. If you need more detailed information, leave the highlighted sentence and left-click on the word or character count. And here are the statistics for a single sentence. Finally, if you count the characters inside the table and select entire cells like this, then the Word will not count the characters inside the cell. In order for the calculation to occur correctly, you need to select the text inside the cell, not the cell itself, and then you will get the correct count of characters or words. That's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.